Good morning, students. Today we'll study lesson number 4 of book 2, A Question of Trust, written by Victor Canning. The story is based on the robbery committed in a house at Shotover Grand. Two professional thieves, Horace Denby and the lady, whose name is not mentioned in the story. These two professional thieves come face to face on the same mission of robbing a safe in a house at Shotover Grand. Let me describe the main character and the first thief of the story, Horace Denby. He was a 50 years old person, an unmarried person. He was respected in society. He was a lockmaker by profession. He had a problem. He was suffering from hay fever, and he got attacks of hay fever in summer especially. It's a type of allergy. He had one more face. Actually, he was a thief, an uncommon thief. He had a rule. He stole once a year, enough to arrange expensive books because he had a strong passion of reading books. And with that money, he arranged these books with the help of a secret agent. Both of the thieves had a common target to rob a house at Shotover Grand. As we all know, that Horace always made a detailed preparation before committing his thefts. So this time also, he studied this house, rooms, electric wiring, paths, and gardens very carefully. He noted that the two servants here, he noted that the two servants were out to movies, and he saw the keys hang to the kitchen door. So he got a wonderful chance. He entered the house. He wore his gloves before opening the safe. He never made any mistake. As he was just going to open the safe, he was caught red-handed by a young lady in red dress. She was looking very confident and very bold, and she was looking as she was the owner of the house. She threatened this person. The lady threatened Horace Denby to call the police, but later she allowed him to go out at one condition. She asked him to open the safe, but for herself. As she pretended she was the owner of the house, so she said that her husband was out of the country and she needed the jewelry for the party that night. Horace agreed and thought that he was opening the safe for the owner of the house. So why to wear gloves? So without using gloves, in his innocence, he opened the safe for the lady and went out happily. After 2 days, he was arrested by the police for committing theft at Shotover Grand on the basis of his fingerprints found on the safe. He requested that he open the safe for the lady of the house, the owner of the house, but the real lady owner, who was grey-haired, 60 years old, she denied the fact. She told the story told by Horace Denby totally nonsense. So he was arrested. So it was clear that the real culprit in the story was a lady in the red dress, not Horace Denby. She outsmarted Horace Denby. And Horace Denby said that the thieves also must have an honor. Thank you. Thank you very much.